Also joining us right now is India Today's Gaurav Sawant from Mumbai. Let's quickly cut across to him. Gaurav, the two leaders have met. Prime Minister Modi very warmly welcomed Emmanuel Macron. So do tell us what's on agenda.
So there is great chemistry between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the French President Emmanuel Macron. Each time they've met, it's been a very warm friendship, that is on display. But this is far more substantive than the optics that we see right now. As Pranay was mentioning, there's not only conversation about the procurement of 114 Rafale fighter jets and Hammer missiles to go with it, but then India's main focus is that a military-industrial technological complex can be built in India, can be nurtured in India, and then India and France together not only manufacture military aircraft and civilian aircraft and components, but also then export them together. So this is a multifaceted relationship over the next 3 days. There's lots of conversation. If we were to talk about specifics, small and medium modular nuclear reactors. There's talk of nuclear energy, clean energy cooperation. There's a lot of movement that you notice on the road where we are and on the adjoining road, because the movement also means, indicates that now the cooperation is from the federal government there and here, through states cooperation to startup cooperation to innovation. 2026 has been declared as the year of innovation. And the Prime Minister, when he'd gone for Bastille Day in France, the conversation had been when students at academies and universities sit together and innovate together, manufacture together.
Right.
From the drawing board to the finished product, that is real technological cooperation. That's very important. And if I may, what is also significant is from the 1950s, when Tufanis were procured from, France, to the time that Rafales are now coming in additional numbers, this cooperation is only growing from strength to strength.
Right, absolutely, Gaurav. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, Pranay, for those details. And we'll be keeping an eye on that meeting and bringing you more details.